Today I'm going to be doing a TikTok shop haul. Today I'm going to be doing a TikTok shop haul. I got nails, I got clothes, I got a bang. I got a lot of stuff, so we're gonna check it out. If you catch me squinting, it's because I don't have my glasses on and I can't find my contacts. So there's that. Also, I just washed my hair, it's drying, so we're keeping this on. Ignore it, pretend it's not there. It's not there. Let's get into it. First things first, I did open it already, but like I didn't really go through it at all. They put everything that I ordered on the TikTok shop into one big package, even though I ordered them on different dates and I ordered them from different sellers. So I don't know what that's about, but that's what happened. So once I peeped that all my everything I bought was in one bag, I was like, let me close this and record it. Cause I thought it was gonna be like a one at a time thing. So I thought I could do a little peeky peek and then whatever, it doesn't matter. They put everything in one thing. So I bought a bang from the TikTok shop. Do not judge me for when my hair is straight because it was cheap. I forgot how much it was. It was like $1 or something. And I wanna know what my hair looks like straight with a bang. This is it right here though. She got body. It feels like human hair. I hope it's not synthetic, even though the price gave synthetic. So it clips underneath, and then I can't do the whole shebang right now, but this is what it's supposed to get. And honestly, if I could do it right, this would be cute. Hold on. Hold on, cause wait. What? Honestly, I might keep this on for the rest of the time. No, I'm not. I'm not keeping this on for the rest of the time. But yeah, this is it. I will put the links to everything in my bio per usual. This is hurting my eyes. Ow, it's getting in my eye. To the next. Next, I got some nails. What are these called? Press on nails. I got press on nails. I got two pair, 2 sets. Oh. Hello, the box is busted. What's that about? Why the box looking like that? Weird. I don't like that. I can't even really show you the nails because the box is all busted. Hopefully it's clear. You can see what it look like. But I got these cute little girly nails. Don't know when I'm gonna wear them, but super cute. Should I open them for y'all? I don't feel like opening them because I know they're all over the place, but you get the point though. I know you get the point. And then the next ones that I got are pretty basic. I wanted black tips. They didn't have no straight up black tips. They only had they didn't have black tips that weren't extra super long. So I got these ones and they got a little gold glitter accent thing going on. And I was just like, whatever, I'm gonna get these. These I think were also $1. They weren't taxing crazy for them. Next, I got the BBL jackets. I fell for the trap. I understand. The girlies kept posting it and I couldn't help myself. I was just like, dang, I could wear that to the gym. The only downside is I saw that they didn't have no pockets. They didn't have any pockets. I be putting my phone in my pocket when I be listening to music and stuff. Smells interesting. I got a small, which if you watch my videos, you know I'm typically a small. This is it's slightly tight. So they got little finger thumb holes, cool. This is how it look. Is it giving BBL? But yeah, that's this gray one. I will say it does have a weird smell to it. Oh shit, that scared the fuck out of me. Definitely does not have pockets, but it's cool. Now I'm gonna try on the black one. The black one, I don't know if it's truly black though. I mean, I guess so. It's I don't know, shiny black. It's it's black, but it's so shiny to the point where it almost looks gray. Does that make any sense? Yeah. I don't even know what this is. First of all, it was supposed to be a set. It was supposed to be gray pants and a gray top. Gray top isn't there. Weird. And then I got these pants. What is that? And they're like supposed to look folded over. All they did was like sew the top. I don't even know what they did. I don't even know what they did. Like, this looks a mess. Like, I don't even want to like keep reviewing it. Like, I'm definitely about to hit them up and be like, what? And they will be tagged below. I will tag what pants these are below. You probably was thinking about getting them. Don't. And yeah. That's all I gotta say about these. These look absolutely trash. Hold on. Like, excuse, what? Like, they were so disappointing. And it's like, I can't even fix the crotch. And they smell weird. They smell weird, don't fit right. It's a dub, 0 out of 10. Thank you guys for watching another haul. If you guys would like to see more videos, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.